In this video, I'll show you how to install this gorgeous wall light here on the wall simply and efficiently. And if you're new here, I'm Nick and this is fixallhousethings, where I share real DIY projects to help homeowners to achieve professional results. So don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, hit that like button. That's all I ask in return. Now let's get back to this project. So I got these lights from Amazon. They look gorgeous. They were pretty cheap. I'll attach the link in the description, and two in the pack. These are warm light. They also have different types of lights. These are 2700 kelvins. Again, there are different types of these lights available. Now there are two in the pack. Let me show you why. Don't forget to wear the gloves. I like these fabric gloves. You do not want to leave any marks on your lights or on the walls. Now here are the lights. They're really nice and they can be installed horizontally or vertically depending on your likes. Today, we're going to be installing them horizontally here, and I have two places to install. In the package, you have two lights like this, mounting hardware, and pretty tiny wire nuts. I've never seen those before, but I'm sure they're going to fit at least two wires. And instructions, but you can follow this video. Right, nothing on neutral. Black is hot. Classic wiring. There is also ground, but I think these lights do not require ground. We're going to check it later. I'm removing old mounting brackets. These lights also have mounting brackets that I'm going to show you in a moment. And like I usually say, do not throw away the screws for the mounting brackets. Your new mounting brackets have different screws, but these might come handy, so don't throw them away yet. Right, so this is the old mounting bracket. We don't need that. Right, so the lights come with their own mounting bracket right here. So what you're going to do, there are two screws on the sides. You want to remove them. There we go. So now we need this part. There are two mounting holes. They're going to face you when you install it. Now let's talk about safety. Before you touch any wires or anything, actually, I should have done this first, so very important. Before you start touching anything in the electrical box, turn off the lights, turn off the breakers. Retest the wires. Let's do that. No power here. Nothing here on the hotline. We're good to proceed. These lights do not come with the mounting screws for the bracket, so they rely on existing ones, which is good. We have ones. So let's fit the wires. Now for simplicity, the wires here can be detached, and then you can attach the light itself. So that's what we're gonna do. Like that. So we're gonna install this part first, and then we're gonna attach the light. The wires here need to be stripped. So take the strippers. So now your wires are ready for installation. I'm just going to reuse existing wire nuts. Hot first, neutral second. It's interesting, you will notice that this light does not have ground wire, but on the instructions there is ground, so they probably use just entire mounting bracket as a ground. So now we have the box connected. I did a mistake here that I want you to avoid, so I forgot that I'm going to install them horizontally. That means that the brackets have to be aligned vertically. So what I'm going to do, I already have it all connected, but I'm going to flip the bracket like that. And now I'm going to screw the bracket back in. Looks good. Let's put the light back in. You wait for the click. Then you hide the box inside the light. And you put it on the brackets. Last part, fix it with both screws. One more test. You want to push the light a little bit towards the wall, just to make sure it's flush. All right. Looks gorgeous. I'm going to install the second one and I'm going to show you how it looks at the end. And that's how these lights look all together with the main light in this living room. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and as usual, let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. Cheers!